Yo, can you hear me? Yo, what's up? What's up, bro? What's up, Pangash? Or Pankash? I don't know how to pronounce it. Alright, let me put on some music and let's wait for everyone to join the stream. Wait. Yo, I'm good. What about you, bro? Yo, what's up, Samir? What's up? Nice, nice. Is music at a good tune? Is it not too loud? Or maybe it should be louder? Can you hear me? Can you hear me well? Alright. Okay, nice, nice. Let's wait for some people to join in, and then let's start with the backtesting, and then we'll move on to a little bit of a pre-market analysis, just what I'm expecting for the week, and then let's see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, I did send the link in Discord, bro. What's up, Menko? How are you doing? didn't I? I mean, I did. Oh, see. Send the link. Alright. I need like this. No. Yo, what's up, Ricardo? Yeah, music is good, yeah. Yo, Timujin, what's up? Hey, you short. We will look at it in a moment. Right, for now we are doing backtesting. After we hit the target of 8% or the max drawdown, we will do pre-market analysis, so we will look at everything. So, okay, let's start with the backtesting. Let me go quickly into the replay mode and do something like, let's do like 2019. Let's say September 12th. Just a random date, not picked out before or something. Alright. Let's see. Alright. So at the daily time frame, I see that we are kind of bearish and it's a lot of downside, and we are a little bit slower on the weekly or daily, like a little bit of a squeezy price action, I see. But in the last couple of months, or now only this month, like we had a lot of upside. I don't know by what it was caused, but the actual good thing for me is that there's like not much liquidity in this move. I'm actually thinking about a long, because I don't see liquidity in that move really. Just a little bit here and a little bit there, but on the daily time frame we need a sweep of this first for this to count as liquidity. Otherwise it's not liquidity, so it's like not engineered liquidity. That's why I'm maybe going to look for long, but on the other hand we didn't swipe it, so these lows are open now, like they're equal. That's why it's a bit tricky. In this instance, I'm just going to go with the order flow and see that my direction is bearish. So let's see. Guys, what are you thinking? Long or short? Like, I'm leaning towards short because we have like all of this short side momentum. And also this 1 to 3, and then the change of character on the fractals. What are your guys' opinion? Yep, I'm also short. Let's drop the 0.5 fib too, and we see that we just reached the 0.5 fib. Yes, sells with momentum, definitely. But let's wait for the bullish momentum to kind of die down. So let me just run it up. All right, now we see kind of strong bearish momentum coming into market. Thinking about taking a short here after us liquidating here and then making the break of structure, but I'm still not going to risk it in this messy price action. That's why what I'm gonna do is I'm going to place a short, possibly when it retraces to the 0.5 fib. So let's see if we can start doing this, if it actually retraces. All right, I like those momentum shorts. Okay, now we got a little bit of a trend going on the 4-hour and on the 1-hour time frame. Is it actually clean? Yes, it looks actually good. So we can start like scaling into the 1-hour time frame now, like going a time frame down, and with our daily and 4-hour actually direction that we have to trade towards, we can actually just do it and get a more refined entry. So right now I see that we had a break of structure here and we took liquidity here with the retracement, and then we go down and make another break of structure. So now liquidity is positioned right there and right there. Also looking at the 0.5 fib, it aligns with that as well. So let's place an entry here, a little bit of a higher stop loss for a 1.5%. Let's see if we can get the retracement. All right, so price kind of goes away, but I like that we just create more liquidity here with the equals. All right, so now this is the high here and the low is here, and it's like perfect shorts with the 0.5 fib. So let's do it. Let's short right there for a simple 1-to-1. I view this as a really good really good trade. Damn, we didn't get liquidity taken out and then we straight away go down. It's really impulsive. So let me go into the 4-hour again. So for now, I'm not really interested in shorting this supply zone because we didn't take out liquidity here. So I'm going to just wait for it to liquidate those 3 descending highs here. So let's wait for it. Damn, that's crazy. All right, the market structure was a little bit too impulsive, so I want to be more on the safer side to not get taken out or not just be too aggressive. But it was just too impulsive. There were no like good opportunities to be made. The only thing that you could do is to short on 0.5 fib, but as well, like if you're shorting on the 0.5 fib here with this high of the momentum, it's still not the best. Like going for 0.5 fib entries with the current order flow and the current momentum is the best when the market is like not that fast. Like if the market is going slowly towards the upside, and then you can go towards the 0.5 fib, because after the new impulsive phase starts, that's when like the real money is made. but here it's like really impulsive. Like it could just smash through the market structure here. And also on the 4-hour time frame, I wanted to get into it as well here, but I kind of like chicken out because this price action is like not the cleanest. Like it's not the cleanest high and low. Like yeah, we still got a breaker structure up and a breaker structure down, creating this supply zone, but it's just not that clean as well. And also right here, the three equals, then here as well equals, like it's not that clean as well. But yeah, it looks okay now. We can just go for further shorts. I'm now going to mark out the breakout structure here. This is the swing high. The swing low will be like created anywhere here. Let's see. Okay, now this is actually interesting. We don't actually make a candle close below the breakout structure. With the lack of liquidity in the daily impulsive move down, is it an option to look at weekly highs and lows as liquidity points? We move down. Yeah, it's not really an option because you don't have liquidity inside of it. Like you're just waiting for liquidity inside of your move. Like it could be on the daily, weekly, 1-hour time frame. If there's like no liquidity, there's no reason to look for liquidity on the weekly. All right, like now there's something interesting happening here. So we make a breakout structure here, but we don't close actually below the line. We just straight away go down, and we straight away go up. Also with this pattern here, like we make a fake breakdown and then we make a breakout structure up. With this, demand zone now being in control, and all of those liquidity points that we have right here, like these three equals and these three, and also here, I want all of them to be liquidated. And now here's the perfect setup. We got liquidity here, right there. We get this demand zone here, and from this demand zone now I'm trying to get busy and get into a long to liquidate some of those highs and lows, or like some of the highs. Let me pull up the 0.5 fib, and I'm going to look to trade towards the 0.5 fib with the liquidity points aligned. So let's do that. Do you think I like AUD/USD? Really? Think last time we traded EUR/USD. Alright. So let's see if we can get an entry here. Oh, perfect. So we got tagged in here. Wait, why is the stop loss actually like this? Okay, I'm just not gonna touch it. Like we got tagged in here. We took our liquidity, and straight away from the demand zone, we see a reaction and we see a fractal change of character. So now I see that this level is strong, and this demand zone can now push it up higher. Like I'm not going to get into scalings because it's like way too risky now. But yeah, it looks clean. Maybe I'm going to look for a scaling on the 1-hour time frame. If we can get a nice risk reward, yeah, this would be perfect. Like this looks really clean. If we can get into this liquidity point, then I would like to be in the trade. So let's see if we can get tagged in here. And we don't get tagged in, but we still get the first CP. So I'm going to count it. We are now up. Current balance up plus 1, how much? 1.16, 1.15. All right, perfect, guys. How did you like this trade? It looks really, really clean here for me. Would you guys also like take this trade? Write it in the chat. All right. Yes, very good. All right. Now it becomes a little bit more difficult, the price action, because obviously we have this break of structure down, and we have this. I like the setup, but it looks risky. Why do you think it's risky? I mean, we still were in the levels, like we are still in discount levels, and we are waiting for at least liquidity or 0.5 FIB to get touched. Yep, I personally wouldn't take it, but it's a good move. Yep. I mean, also this is like a really clean move. Like this low is very strong. All right, let's see. Now it's a bit more conflicting because we still have this reversal pattern, but obviously the trend is going down and we are now past the 0.5 FIB, and we took out a lot of liquidity, and we are like going to finally, I think, like take this higher liquidity out. So now let's just wait. Like if we see like a nice order flow switch, I would say we could get into a short. I wouldn't look for a buy, but I would wait for those liquidity sweep. You're looking for a sell. Yes, that's also possible. That's also like a good move. Like here, I'm just waiting for this to get broken and then get into a sell. Otherwise, it's too risky for me. Because this reversal pattern is very strong with this first impulse and this second impulse. So now I'm just waiting for, like, the best option would be if we see like a retracement into here, it goes up again, we take our liquidity here, and now then we break the new demand zone and control. So let's see like what actually happens here. And if we don't break it, yeah, obviously we are just going to wait for this to break, and then we are going to go long. All right, now this structure holds. Like the thing, that's why I'm going more on the safe side here, because if you would have been trading just off of liquidity alone here, so you take it out and then you see like the fractal shift, I believe it was like here, then you would have been first in profit, but then it will go quickly to your stop loss. That's why I'm waiting for this bigger demand zone to break. Now this is the new demand zone on control. We are just waiting to break it. Yo, what's up, Farsad? All right. Let me mark out the high. All right, now we broke the structure. Now we are going to go bullish or not. Well, we had this sweep here and we have this new impulse up. We are still having like this kind of weekly structure going down, but now it's looking way more bullish than bearish for me. So I'm going to wait for some liquidity to get taken out and then to go for a long. So I'm waiting in this daily move up higher, in this move here, waiting for this to get liquidated or this. And also the 0.5 FIB will be then in line. Let's look at the 4 time frame. All right, we are starting to see the retracement. Okay, we took liquidity here and the 0.5 FIB is touched. So now we are in discount levels. Let's wait for it to break down again. Perfect, you see, breakdown. And now I'm waiting for this to go and then I can go long. So after like seeing this, perfect, you see this perfect reaction here. now we have this new demand zone in control. We have liquidity positioned here. I'm going to go long inside of the demand zone itself, like this, for like a 1.07. Let's see. Oh no, wait. This 1.14. Let's see if we can get TP. Perfect. We got the TP, and we get the second TP. Bravo. All right, 1.14. I'm going to like just round it up for 2.30. Similar build to the current GBP AUD. Yeah, it's true. Also, GBP AUD looks good for a long. All right, perfect price action. Like we have this perfect like impulse. We have to sweep, take our liquidity, reach 0.5 FIB, and we switch the order flow, and then we go just long, and it's perfect. Also, let's see. I think like it's even more like good for more longs. I wouldn't take the long setup here, but it looks clean. The liquidity. Do you mean here, or do you mean a liquidity entry on the daily time frame macro? Can you clarify, please? Alright, you mean like the liquidity here inside the demand? Yes, it obviously is, and I went long because this liquidity is just there. So if there's no liquidity, I wouldn't go long. This was just like a refined entry that you are talking about. So for me, I just went on the like overall demand if the price action is too impulsive. But price is never perfect. That's why I position myself here. But this was obviously like the best move that you are talking about, and we would have gotten more out of the risk to reward. But ADUSD tends to move really aggressively sometimes, not even sometimes, like often. That's why I'm going to go with the overall order flow. Like here is like also a new position. As you can see, I'm not going to take it because after the break of structure, for me it's a little bit too risky. But after having here liquidity and reaching the demand zone, there's like also a possible long here. Like definitely you could have taken it like from here, then you would have had a nice risk to reward. Let's actually see if it plays out. We're not taking it, but let's see if it goes. All right. Yep, you would have gotten TP. On its second step up, why don't we wait for our liquidity to be swept? Because you see, you put longs above it. Yes, I put longs like on top of the demand zone because price is not always perfect. It can be just too impulsive. Like the pairs are often really impulsive. All right. Now we have the second break here. We have liquidity taken out, fake breakdown, which makes this low strong. So wait, this low is the structure. Now the high will be somewhere there. Let me delete everything before. All right. Now it's simple as well. We have liquidity positioned here on the daily and here on the daily, and I'm just waiting for it to drop down, retrace, and take out liquidity. All right. All right, we took our liquidity. In hindsight, of course, always easy, of course, but I understand your entry at the amount. Yes. All right, like as you can see, this is our low point and this is our high point right there. The 0.5 fib is already matched, so we are already in discount prices, and we took out liquidity. Like here would be like a perfect entry also to just take, because it's like a really good liquidity point to go long, and we're already positioned really low. I'm thinking about taking like this, with the daily in mind, like for a chill 1.34, and just swing it. And then on the 4-hour time frame, look for this to get taken out like this. If we sweep this and then change structure, like if this supply zone here, as you can see, then I'm going to go and take a scale in as well here. So let's see if we can break the demand zone. Like I'm counting it as we are in the trade already. You know me from TTA and you would like to join my Discord, but I don't have a Discord. My Discord is in TTA. Like TTA is like my Discord. I'm part of TTA. Alright. We are really aggressively going down. Do we take stop loss already? Yes, we did. We're deleting all of that. We are now up 1.3%. Okay. Well, now I believe we can switch our bias now to bearish, because we have this kind of impulse down. We had like a 1, a 2, and then a 3. And now, after the second break, we have this change of character, creating this bigger supply zone. So now it's possible to go long, to go short. Looking at these structures in itself, well, I see shorts from either this supply zone. Oh, wait. AUD, USD. Well, I see shorts from either this supply zone right here, or I see shorts from this liquidity point, or just liquidating the supply zone in itself. Because if you look at the 4 time frame, yes, you see that we take out, yes, has to be Trump. We see that we take out like liquidity right like there, and then we see the change of character. So this is like a strong high, but we obviously on the daily time frame see that this can be acted out as liquidity, or this can be liquidity right there. So I'm going to focus on one of those two. I'm going to wait for it to retrace in towards this demand zone and see if we can get some confirmation. And if we don't get confirmation, I'm going to go short from there. It's not even taking out liquidity, it's just very impulsive. Let's look at the daily. We even made also like a breaker structure, but I mean the levels are the same. It's now really aggressively going down. I mean, there's like no money to be made here. There's no money to be made in the structure. We just gotta wait for some structure to actually be formed, because that's not something we want to treat. I potentially see longs on the 4-hour here, because we had like this big sweep with little to no liquidity. like a big sweep down. I think it was like something with news, maybe like I don't know, Corona or something. I'm not sure. Yes, structure of doom. But we have this like nice order flow going on, like with this first demand zone, which we didn't retrace into, but like demand zone is not important. I mean, like with this first impulse, with no, actually this being the first impulse, with taking out liquidity and having a second impulse, and then also taking out liquidity here, making a change of character and having a third impulse. So I see some potential further longs to trade towards. Also, we took liquidity here, and this low is very strong. This is the breakout structure. We have the 0.5 fib already met. Stefan, what's your take on this new AI trading with TTA? I'm not really into it, so like I didn't really look into it a lot. But the guys that are like doing it, they're like, they seem very competent, and it's crazy. Like it's a good addition to TTA. I've not really looked into it, like what it's all about, but I like that TTA is like a little bit more diverse with different strategies and different approaches. So that's a really good addition, in my opinion. So we have liquidity taken out there. We have liquidity here still and here. So let's wait for a change of character. And if we retrace into here, I will just long it like this. All right. We don't have a sweep. That's very unfortunate. So I'm not going to take a trade. Yep, exactly why I'm not going to. It's really consolidative here. This could have been beautiful, actually. Like, it could have been really nice if we just had this sweep here. Just a little bit down more, just to confirm for me that it's taking out liquidity to then go up higher. But in general, like, the structure looks really good. Yeah, no problem, bro. Like, in general, I think the structure is really good. Just like this one thing that I don't like, that we just go straight down and don't make like a good change of character on the fractals. That's the only thing. Well, we have also here, like with this new breakout structure, we take out liquidity and then we go straight up. And now we don't have no liquidity in this move. So I'm waiting for it to go up once more to to engineer liquidity, or to take out this in itself. So let's see what happens actually. All right. Looking now at it, like at the structure, I think we can actually ignore like a lot of structure here, because like this market is like way different than here. Like I'm just going to look at the 4-hour time frame. So I just see further longs. I don't see like much more. It's getting a bit squeezy towards the upside, like a bit overextended, but like hey, what can we do actually? There's like not much to do against it. I don't like that we just go straight up higher and then don't liquidate nothing. So like possibly I would like to take out liquidity here. So let's see. And it just straight away goes on the up. And now it consolidates. Really not the best structure, if I'm being honest. All right. I'm not sure what we can do here. It's starting to consolidate again after having a first breakout. Having another breakout. Alright, we can go long here. Perfect. Like, it's a bit squeezing towards the upside, like it's only going up, but we don't have much to work with here. Like, I don't like this here. maybe it would be best for us to take this out and then go long. But also we have this structure going on. We can go long after it goes here to liquidate it. So like I like that we have like this first breakout, and then we can maybe like take in a liquidity here, for example, and then we can maybe go down to take a liquidity again, and then have the further upside continuation. So let's wait for it. Nice. So we take out liquidity a lot here in this move. Then now the only thing I need is a little structure to trade up, maybe on the daily or 4 hour. All right. So now we have the breakdown and the break up, like that, and it's looking very impulsive. So could I actually get into a limit here? This, like I'm scared that it's a bit too impulsive. That's why the thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to view this as the bearish price action, although we are very bullish on the overall ulterior, like alter price action, but it still can go even more down after like taking out more liquidity in general and then switching the trend. That's why I'm going to go long after taking out a lot of liquidity here, and then just do like another retracement trades in towards liquidity. And I'm going to go like this because I think it can be just too impulsive for us. So let's see. All right. We take our liquidity, and do we take, oh, like that's actually TP already, because I wanted to position it like this. But I'm not gonna cheat, so I'm going to like put it way back up. So we are like kind of still in a trade. Alright, we are like counting it as a stop loss because I wanted to trade towards here, but it would be cheating if I like just move it again. So it's not like no stop loss for us. But it kind of like goes hand to hand with like what I like had explaining here. Like we take our liquidity and we go just down like this, making a new break of structure. And yeah, we are still bullish, but once it switches, like it can take time. That's why we maybe can like just short down with the momentum that we have here. We have like now the sweep, and I'm waiting for it to make a candle close, all down. Like that's obviously not the structure you want to have. Like we are sweeping it. I waited for a candle close maybe to go short, but now we swept the lows again, like with the structure like at the beginning in that we had like TPs. We are sweeping it, and then we are straight away going up, but then we are straight away going down like very fast. Like after taking out this liquidity and then seeing a change of character, I might possibly go long because where this demand on here. Let's see. Yeah, we didn't even sweep liquidity, but it's still going up. Yeah, that's very unfortunate. It's very fast. But that's kind of the thing with AUD and USD. Like AUD pairs are very fast. So now we are long. Once we take out this liquidity, I'm going to go long, like with the price action on the daily in mind. Like we're off taking out liquidity, and then possibly having like a long. I'm going to go for a 1 to 2 if we retrace into it, hopefully. And we don't. Yeah, that's crazy. That's like very bad precision. Like you still can go long with the order flow, but it's just squeezing and squeezing. Like it's not the best. Okay, now we have this new break of structure going up. There's a lot of liquidity here. I'm waiting for it to get swept. Yeah, it's not looking like it's going to get swept actually. Or maybe. All right, I might take a short in towards liquidity right there to sweep it. I'm going to set my target here, and let's see. Yeah, it's shitty price action, yeah, but it looks good here. Like with us having liquidity positioned here, break of structure, take a liquidity, and then we see a strong sell down. Let's see running 1 hour why it's so fast. Like it's maybe something with the news related, but yeah, let's see if we can get like another entry here. So this entry would be actually perfect after having this break of structure. Let's wait for the liquidity to get taken out. Come on. Like at this point, I'm like not even like hoping for having ATP or something. I'm just hoping for price action to be good. So after this break of structure and this break of structure, we still have liquidity open here. Let's wait for it. Well, we actually have also liquidity positioned here. I might, like after seeing this break structure up and this break of structure down, we might get a short here. Like, I know it's not like the best, but with this price action, it's really beneficial, like to have like a better long, to have like a more aggressive short, because it's very impulsive. Okay, let's see. All right, wait, the candles are not loading. What's that? What? All right, we sweep it and we get a stop loss. Like the first time we actually are more aggressive, we get a stop loss, so we are down. But let's see, maybe we can do something with it as well here. Like I see this, and then we see this, and now it's like a little bit more bearish. So maybe I'm going to like go short again, because we're having this 1, 2, 3, and this looks like a little bit better now. For 1.225. Let's see. Do we? No, we are not in. No, we are tagged in, definitely. And TP, perfect. We re-entered and we got the TP, so that's perfect. And now like +2. All right. So having a lot of downside now. We sweep liquidity here, and we possibly could go long now because we have this liquidity taken out. This is a strong low right there because it took a liquidity before going up. Break of structure and final liquidity taken out here. But obviously I'm not going to go long straight away. I'm going to wait for my price action to be formed. The best thing would be now like a daily fractal break, but it looks good now, like it's just reacting to it, and the break would be here actually, and then we could look for longs. Nice. We see a bullish price action right now. Let me draw it up. So we see a lot of bullishness, and now we can go and continue to take further longs. I'm waiting for like some sort of liquidity sweeps here or here, and then aggressively going to go long. Have to go, Stefan. Thank you for the session. All right, Menko. Thank you for being with us, and have fun. Are you agreeing with me, guys? Like on the daily time frame and just getting like aggressive longs with the liquidity, and then just seeing chain of characters, because the price action is really fast. Type in the chat if you agree. All right. Let's see. We take out the first liquidity point, so now we gotta be more careful. The fractal high is positioned right there above here because we made like this breakdown here. If we swing it, switch it, and then go long. Nice. We switched the fractal high, but daily of switch to bull. Yeah, daily switch to bull, of course. Yeah, and we actually switched the fractals now. But the only thing I don't like is that we don't have a kind of close above it, so this can be just a liquidity grab to go then long. Alright, Corey agree as well. That's good. Alright, now we get it. So now we get like the double fractal break. Then I'm going to go long here. Stops below here. And then just long it like this for a 1 to 2. Let's see how it plays out. We straight away get stop loss. It happens. So the price action was really manipulative. Did we hit it already? I don't think so. I think we hit like around those levels, but it's 80 USD, so it's often manipulative, and it's often really fast. That's why 0.5 FIB doesn't really matter on 80 pairs. Can you please check NSD USD? I like planned a long time sells and it went up. I'm going to check it after we stop backtesting. So after we hit max drawdown or target, and then we're going to go into the pre-market analysis. So we're going to do all of that soon. So now this is the high here from the supply zone that we have going on here. That's why I'm going to wait for it to switch and then go long. All right, we see another breakdown. That's why this is the long, the high now, right there. That's why this is the switch that we need. Alright, we even take out more liquidity and reach the 0.5 FIB. I already told that the 0.5 FIB is not that important, but it's still like in our confidence. Like, it's not that important with 80 USD pairs. Let's see if we see like a reaction here. Actually, we don't. I might look for a long here for a like 1 to 1, like this. Oh no, I'm gonna wait for a long from after like already after going down again, because the risk reward is just really off. Okay, now we are tagged in, and once the fractal switches, then I'm going to go on a scaling. Now we liquidated the final liquidity point. Now it's really time for price to turn around. Okay, perfect. Do we make a nice breakdown though? No, we actually don't. So the lows are really weak for me. As you can see, we might liquidate them. Yes, perfect. We take out liquidity here, breakdown. I'm just waiting for the supply zone to go now. And once it goes, then we will have like a really good entry. I'm still riding the swing entry. Okay, now we break the supply zone. We create out of this supply zone now a break of structure, and we create now a bullish demand zone. And from this demand zone now, we can go for a long for a 1.12 like this, and go long like this. All right, let's see. And we get perfect TPs. Perfect. Use wider stop loss this time, like how we still have another liquidity below. Yup. Like that's what we did. Like we waited patiently. It didn't go long, for example, like here, or it didn't go long like there or something, because we still had liquidity to be taken out here. Like we didn't have a sweep. This was like also not a very bad long that we had. Like if we just backtested right now, like seeing like in the hindsight, it's not a bad long, because we see the change of character, and price is really impulsive anyways, so this was a good long. But I like to have this I like to have this bigger swing position, and now waiting patiently for the scaling. And once we get the actual switch in the trend, then you can really see that the market just turns around and has a really nice impulsive phase. So that's good. That's what we got going for us. And yeah. All right. Now we are up 3.45%, and we are getting close to our target. We only need 4.15% to get the target. Alright, now after this new breakout structure, we have still a lot of room to go up higher, and it's like even more confirmed now that we are going long. That's why I'm going to just do the same. I'm going to mark out my liquidity points that I have in the move. So basically I have liquidity points here, have them there, there, and we're going to wait for all of that to get liquidated. I mean, not all of that, but this or this. And then mark up my 0.5 fib once the higher high forms. Alright, wait. So now the higher high formed right there, and now we're waiting for some liquidations. Alright, let me move the 0.5 fib again. So now we are seeing the retracement to start to play out. And yeah, I actually want to get a long, I believe, from here. Again, like a swing entry, like doing the same for 1.5. This would be like a good entry if we actually get it, and then we're just going to wait for the change of character above here, for example, or once we see like another move down. Alright, so like I actually don't like to go long here with this here, because I believe it's like a really like a bit weak here with this fractal break, because also we have like this supply zone still being in control. That's why I'm only holding the bigger swing position, because it's like with a safe stop loss. Yeah, exactly, it's with a safe stop loss, and I like to hold this only. And now once we see this supply zone actually being taken out, then we can go long again. What's the point of the swing entry? The risk reward is not worth it. I mean, it is worth it because we have a really high percentage of a win rate with a swing entry. That's why it's worth it. Alright, we take out final liquidity. Let's see the market turning around. No, we don't see it. We see a stop loss, but we got only one stop loss in this whole move. That's why, yeah, it's not that bad. But I'm a bit concerned because I would like to go only for longs with this price action. It's not loading. Alright. I mean, I'm a bit surprised that we actually see downside, because I would like to go obviously for longs with the price action right there. Let's see if the market can turn around, or if we just break this low here. Do we break it? Did we break it here? No, it still holds, so it's still like a bit strong. Let's see. Do you believe like it's a problem with swing entries that you don't have a big risk reward? Or what? Or is it a problem that you get sometimes stop losses like we had right now? Let's wait for better price action. Alright, I actually want to go along here. You see, like us not sweeping this low here is a really good indication for me to go long again. And also, we still, like, even if we view this as the structure down, we still need to retrace. Like, we already retraced to 0.5 fib, but there's like not enough liquidity to move us down. and we just only hit it right now. And also, like, I see this structure being formed here. Like, we have this break up, we have liquidity situated right there, and it looks like clean now. Also, we have, no, that's not clean, so we can't go with a fractal entry. Then looking at this, I'm going to wait for it to go to the 0.5 fib and then get a long, or I'm going to just wait for it to sweep again. I think that's the better thing to do. All right. Now we're waiting for it to make this, this, and this. Also, there's like no liquidity in this price action. That's why I'm a bit confident. All right. We made the break down, the break up. Now we can go along here like this for a 1, 2, 2. Let's see. We are tagged in and we got TP. Perfect. Nice. I like this. 4.45. For the problem is entering without confirmation, but I got your view. Yeah, I see your view as well. But if we have, for example, like a really good trend towards the upside going on, like here, and also the even higher high time frame trend is confirming it. I mean, there's like not much going against it, you know, like even confirmation as well. Like you have to think about it this way. If we have this nice higher time frame trend, for example, towards the upside, yeah, it's like going up, and we have clean liquidity points. We have already reached the 0.5 fib. We got everything that we need, basically, yeah. Fundamentals align, everything. And now every trader with like a good strategy, or every trader that is successful, every one of them is going to go for a long. Like everyone will want to long, but now, like that's not like even a question. If you look at, for example, USD yen over the last year, or 80 yen or something, like I don't know, like everyone knows it's a long, but not everyone will take the perfect long. Now the actual thing is how do you enter, and there's like many different things, entries, and if you go with confirmation, so if you go with a four fractal break, for example, in towards the downside and then upside, and if you enter then like this, that's just the same as if you would enter on the 0.5 fib with a 1-to-1, like this. Because here you wait for confirmation to get a like internal entry, but still ride the wave towards the swing. But the swing entry just rides the wave with the swing, but you don't get to engage in all of those stop losses that you get once you maybe get taken out, because most of the time it will just go up because the trend is going up. That's why the win rate is really higher, but the risk reward is lower. So it's just similar. It's just depends on your trading style. All right, let's look at this now. Like we are approaching already critical levels that could push the price down if you're actually going down. Let's see at the price action. Yep, exactly. Like if you see this, all right, it comes perfect as I said it. If you see this breakdown, I would consider going short, because like taking out liquidity and sweeping this and then going short. Our TP was actually perfect as well. Goes like the TP here and then we go straight down, like a sniper exit. I like this. We have now there's order flow going on. Like I'm going to wait for liquidity here and here to get swept first. We don't sweep it, which is unfortunate. Wait, let's look at the daily. Well, I don't like this price action. Like it's manipulating really. Like we even break now this low, but we only sweep it and then go up again. So what I'm actually gonna do now is I'm still going to go for shorts, but I'm going to wait for like a nice confirmation, maybe like a double fractal break. All right, first fractal break. it was here. Yeah, that's the thing that I wanted to tell as well. Like after this first fractal break, for example, it is confirmation, but you get stop loss here. And then after like maybe going up higher again, we get the second fractal break, and then you can enter again, and then you get TP. And the stop losses that you get from just swinging it, like you just don't get them. All right. First fractal break, second fractal break. Now I want to get busy with a entry. We got 2 fractal breaks. That's looking really clean. Also, I'm going to go only for a 1 to 1. I think this is like a good even TP, like a 1.25, because this high is very strong because it takes out liquidity, or like maybe 1.15. Yeah, that's perfect. So with the 2 fractal breaks towards the downside, like I'm more now. It's more confirmed for me that it's going to go short. So let's see. All right, perfect. I like my stop loss because it's a bit more protected, but it can still get taken out, obviously. All right, we got stop loss now. Now 3.45, and actually the long still hold. Yeah, I don't like this price action. Like it's really manipulative. It's now again long after sweeping it once again here, like the low here. It's still looking good for longs. I mean, this can be just liquidity engineered to then go lower, but with this new bullish price action, I don't believe that's really the case. Let's wait for it, like some retracements and then a bit more longs, maybe. We're now retracing to liquidity here. It's possible to maybe go long in the future. Yeah, I don't see an entry here. It's good to look at the price and see that it's going towards your direction, kind of, but I don't see really here a actual long. Like it just went down and just went up. But now we maybe can just trade it with this liquidity here in mind and see this as the structure low and this as the structure high. What do you guys think? All right. Now the thing looks clearer now. We have this as the low and this is the high. This is the 0.5 fib that it's already kind of met. So like the overall structure is met here. Then we have liquidity taken out right there, and here is still liquidity open. So let's wait for it to give us either like a fractal entry or wait for us to hit the second liquidity point. And from the second liquidity point, I'm actually going to go with a entry that's a swing entry. It looks very safe for me. Looks very good. All right. Perfect. Swipe off liquidity under consolidation. You can take longs probably already. Yeah, that's my same view. I viewed the same as you, bro. All right. Now we're just waiting. Right now, not looking really for scalings. Crazy price action. Somebody tweeted here. All right. Now we're again only at 3. Like bearish price action holds. It's getting more like consolidative. I don't like it. Like it's a bit stuck in this box. It's only going up, down, up, down. It's not really having a nice trend. I'm just going to let it break out. Okay, now it's going short. Perfect. So now this whole price action that's been really bothering me is now really confirmed to be down. So now we can look at the daily here. We have this breakdown right here. Wait. We have liquidity here taken out and the 0.5 fib met. I'm going to go short on top of the liquidity point right here if we retrace again and towards it, and if not, I want to go short after sweeping this and after breaking this low, that is the fractal low. So then I'm going to go short after breaking fractal low. Did we actually retrace towards it? No, we didn't, but we made this breakdown. This could have been a nice stop, like a sell stop, but we didn't reach it. It went without us. We can now look at the new structure though. This is the first structure, and I want to get busy with this, so I'm going to get an entry here. The dollar is fundamentally bearish for me, so I want to get with this short. Right here we already have the 0.5 FIB there. Alright, we hit it. We make a breakout structure up, then a breakout structure down with this supply now being in control. Then 4 hour wise, let's look at liquidity here. I want to see a change of character. Okay, nice. Now we get the change of character down. Going to go short, I believe, like this. I don't know, there's no liquidity in the move though. That's the only thing. I'm going to wait for like a cleaner entry. Alright. If we make another breakdown, yes, perfect. So now liquidity is here engineered, so I can go short like this for a 1.15 if we retrace into it. Yep, perfect. We tap it perfectly here. Now let's see. We get TP. We're tracing towards again into it, so kind of viewing this as the supply now. Although it didn't sweep liquidity, it's just holding for some reason, but price is not perfect, of course. We now have the breakout structure up and then the strong downtrend and creating this new downtrend. And come on, we take TP. Perfect. Yeah, it's more bearish short term, of course. It can be more long for reasons that the central bank stated, but definitely over the next like 4 or 3 months, it's for me bearish. I mean, it's not really long, like over the next year or something. It's not like confirmed to go long. It's just very likely to be a hold or be bearish over the next 3 to 4 months, and then it's kind of a little bit mixed over the long run. Okay, we now got 2 TPs, a 122 and a 1.15. That means we are now up. Depends on the war more. Yeah, it depends on war really, but I guess it will be like a little bit more de-escalation coming into the midterms. Because what did I do? Because obviously Trump doesn't want to have a war during the midterms, because he would be just voted out of Congress. That's why. So then we see how much did we make? 2 and 1.5. That's 3.15, and we had. Wait, how much did we have before? I'm not sure how much our thing was before. Can someone type it in the chat? I'll go back. Oh, guys, my camera is actually in the way of this. I've always had the balance here. 2.45, thank you, bro. Because I'm always typing in how much I have, lack of a balance, and you couldn't see it because of my camera, but now you can see it on the top left corner. Alright, let me change the color as well. Do a red. Alright, so now we are up 6%. I like the price action. I like that we don't have much going left, so it's looking like a good backtesting session. Now it's the easy thing again. It's looking clean. We just need some form of retracement and then going down again. I like that we have like a nice order flow going on, and this supply zone is not in control. If we sweep this and see a good confirmation, I could go short. Obviously, we gotta wait for retracement to start happening. Now it's a bit too impulsive. All right. No positions to be taken right now. Too impulsive. So, okay. We had like a big trend going down. Now we are having a big impulse up. It's too fast for me to take like a short right there. Like also like KS mates that you're like acknowledging the swing trading approach. I'm not going to take a swing trade if the structuring towards the retracement is too impulsive like right now. Like we can just smash through the structure in itself. But if we have like a nice change of character here, like I would go long like this. All right, wait, that looks good actually. So we have this first sweep, and like this was the low, and then we have the second sweep. So now I'm going to go like this short, like this, and we don't need that much of a TP because I only need a 1 to 2 to actually pass the challenge that we have here. I might do this, and with a bigger stop loss like this. I think that's the good move. Yep. For now it's holding. Now it's not. We sweep, and we have a stop loss. So we are up 5. And yeah, but it still looks good for shorts, I think, because we have this here. Maybe if we take out liquidity here, and we have also like a lot of liquidity position here. Like I was a little bit also like a bit hopeful that we can like actually turn around because we have a lot of liquidity like still here resting, and we have a 1 2 3 now. Let's see if we can get a sweep. Oh no, we didn't get the liquidity sweep. Would have been perfect actually. Let me change out the music. Alright. Like now we get the breakout structure down, but I don't like it that much because like this is the supply zone now in control, but if you would have taken out liquidity here, like significant liquidity, this would have been even more perfect. But I guess like we still can go short like this. It's like a really good pattern and towards the downside. Going to go for okay 1.5 maybe. No. Oh no, let's just say 1 to 1, taking out liquidity. Would be perfect. Okay, we sweep in towards it. Structure is slow towards the upside. Oh, almost stop loss. Yeah, the structure is really bad. We don't even take out liquidity here. We just take out the first and second, and straight away go down. So now we are like up 4% still, which is my main time frame to identify liquidity. Daily and 4 hour, like in general, like the swings that we have in control. And if we have something like going on like here, then like just building up a lot of liquidity on 4 hour or daily as well, then I might look for it to get taken out. That's why, yeah. The order flow, where I don't see it really, like at least from here the order flow is bearish, and we get like just like a reversal pattern, like one high, second high, third high, and then we see a lot of downside and make a change of character here. Like this was the low here. So yeah, Alright, now we take out liquidity on the higher time frame here. We have still something open there, and this is the high. So I'm going to wait for confirmation. Go up higher again, take out final liquidity, and now it looks a little bit more interesting. Alright. We take out final liquidity, make a break of structure up, and now I break a structure down. Us being in this supply zone right there. Now I'm going to go for a short, like for a 1, 2, 2, taking out all of the liquidity here. If that's really cool. And we get another stop loss. We really got a losing streak going on now. Now we gotta lock in. We have again upside coming into the market. Well, alright, that's not cool. That's not good to see because we just sweep this and make a break up and then a break down. But now we don't know like if you're going long or short. I might lean in towards the short side if we see another breakdown. Let's see. Yeah, it looks better for shorts now. We just take out the swing high here, but we don't close above it, so it doesn't like count as a real breakdown. And now we can go for shorts. You can really see the shorts coming in. Yeah, it's looking perfect. Like, it's very unfortunate that we didn't get into the market here. It's very unfortunate because it's obviously the right direction that we had in mind. But yeah, there's like nothing we can do. We can only go in towards like look for a new structure to be formed and go into new trades. Let's see. I don't see nothing right there now. It's very slow. Okay. So we take our liquidity here, sweep it again, and we make a break of structure down. And we still should look for shorts. So let's wait, yes, for this liquidity here. And now this low is in control. It doesn't even have liquidity positioned underneath it. Alright, we make a new break up. It's looking very bullish. I'm not going to go short. It's now sweeping it again and then going down again. Sweeping this, it's very consolidative. Very bad price action, very awful. The only thing I see is now if we break this high, like really break it, yep. Now we can view this as the first structure up, and this as the new demand zone. And now we can get in towards a long setup. If the risk reward is good, yeah, the risk reward is okay. It's looking alright. We can go for like 41 to 1, and also on the 4 hour we can go for scale-ins after taking out liquidity. Right, we are in. It's not dropping, but it's not that bad. Stop loss is still very safe and secure. Alright, I don't see nothing like here for a scale-in, but I'm happy that we are in this first like trade, because like obviously like this is the break of structure, but we didn't sweep it there. Like it would have been perfect if you sweep it and then just do this. And here as well, we don't have like no retracement, it just goes. That's why it's not the perfect price action to actually get into a long on the 4 hour. But it's good that we are in the trade on the swing side. That's why it's okay. Let's see if we break it, like the structure. Alright, it's looking very bad, but let's see if it holds still. If our structure holds, we get another stop loss. The backtesting is taking really long now because we have a bit of a stop loss streak going on. It's now like the price is actually very bad now. Like we don't have nothing really. Like we have this still move going up, but it's so consolidative and it's manipulative going up and down. Now this is the breakdown internally. This is the structure down, but the moves are really not there actually. So yeah, what is there to do? What I'm gonna do is I'm going to wait first. I'm going to just wait, look what happens, and possibly going long because we are still long on the hard time frame. So once longs come into the market, then we can really make some profits. You think for shorts, yeah, in this market here, yeah, it's also possible. I would like for going for longs if we break this. That's what I like. And the latest leg down, yeah, that's also good. I would like to go for longs if we break this high, but for shorts if we see confirmation after taking out liquidities. So let's wait. Yep, perfect. First liquidity got taken out. We see okay, first reaction. Oh, now it's manipulating. Let's see. I think we can go for a short. You know why? I love this price action, like with this breakdown and break up and break down. Exactly. Yeah, it could go both ways. Obviously. I don't look at TOT reports in general. Like when I'm trading, I don't look at the TOT report, but sometimes I like to look into it a bit for extra confirmation. But it's not like that important, I believe, because like all of those institutions are positioned for like 2 years, and they're holding the trade for 2 years or like 5 months, and you don't really know like how they're positioned, like for how long are they going to trade it. So if they believe that the dollar is going short in the next 6 years and they are shorting, for example, Euro USD, that's not really important for you if you are looking for dollar longs in the next 3 weeks. You know, they're just going short now because it's just not that big for them. Like because they like for example, if you're a swing trader, sometimes you can market order because you believe, yeah, I'm going to hold the trade for 2-3 weeks anyways. Like a couple of pips are not going to change something. That's the same with the COT report. They are thinking, yeah, it might go long for the 3 months, but it's not that important. We just want to get an entry. Like that's the same for them. So now here explaining, we have no liquidity in this move, and we have the first break, and now it looks like the second break is like starting to commence. That's why I'm going to go short here. Love the price action right there. It's perfect. I'm going to go for a 1.5 towards the downside. Fuck. Yeah, that's awful. Like right when we enter, it's just going up again from nothing, you know? This is like still liquidity if you like consider it, but it's not that important. Like it's not that massive liquidity. Maybe we can go for longs with the structure in mind. So like we have shorts here still, but obviously we can't like wait for 10 days. Maybe we can long it up until we get this liquidity here, but I would like to long after taking out this liquidity first. It's looking like it's going just now. All right, now forget the longs. I like the shorts. After taking out liquidity right there, I'm going to go like this for a 1.5. Yeah, that sounds good, of course. For a 1.5 in towards the downside. And then we're going to look for shorts as well for some scalings. But right now they're like not looking that well, because like there's not like much structure going on. I would like for it to do this type of thing, like go down, up and down like this. Then we can really go for shorts, because right now like these are just liquidity points. We just need this to break first, and if this breaks, like you can't really go into shorts further. Like you can really get new longs or shorts, new positions. All right, perfect. Like we got just what we needed. We had the breakdown, then you break up, and then you break down. My bad. Creating this supply zone from where we can go for a short. For now, like you can really see it on the 4-hour time frame. Even it's clean. Right, let's see. We enter it. Yeah, crazy price action. So all of our like we got like a 6 losing streak or something. I'm going to hold the initial position though, and if it switches again, it's really impulsive. Wow. If it switches again, I'm going for new shorts. So that's that. But I would need this first to switch. Nice. It's not like a real break. It's just bro. Right. We made like a new break towards the downside. Now we can really look for some scalings. Like this is the break, but this is still good. Like it's a little bit messy, but this is still messy, but I like it because we took out liquidity, and now we got nice liquidity to take a position like right there. And if we switch the trend like this, like that, then we are going short. Let's see. Nice. Now I'm going short here. This for a 1, 2, 3 risk to reward. Okay, perfect. We have the initial reaction, and then we go up. Wow. Guys, it's crazy now. What is this? I want to change this. Yeah, it's really crazy, really manipulative price action. Not looking that well now, if I'm being honest. Like, nothing is holding. I still reckon we have further shorts, but it's really manipulative price action. Okay, now we swept it again, so we had the break up and now the break down. Now we have a new break of structure. And now it's going up higher again. Wow. Alright, wow. Break up, break down. Okay, second break. From here on we can go for shorts. I'll try this. For 1, 2, I'm gonna leave like 3 because we are still like swinging it down. So like doesn't matter. I mean, if it retraces. No, it's not looking like it does. Or, yeah, it retraces. Perfect. Let's see it. Stop loss not taken out. Yeah, first stop loss. Wow. The precision is just awful here. Like, nothing is holding, you know? I already took like so many stop losses just trying to short this, and it manipulating me. I mean, it does give us like the sweeps and each change of characters, but it's just sweeping you right back. Okay, now we really got a new break. This is to break up, now this is to break down. Yes, I've got it, bro. We're gonna get it. Wow, what's that? Alright. We are now in this supply zone, and I want to short again. So let's try it. Like for 1 to 2. Yeah, another stop loss. You just really can't with this first section. Okay, I'm not going to take further like longs or shorts in this price action, because like only like off of this price action we just got all of those stop losses. It's crazy. It was like even leaning in towards the bearish side, but this just doesn't want to go down. Sometimes it happens. So see, now we can go long. Just wait. I like this price action. Like we have this here, the liquidity here, have a break here. Then once we see the switch, I can go long. Okay, sweep down. Waiting for this to go now. Oh, I hope we don't get like another another precision like this, because it's now going down again. And it's still bullish here. Just liquidate more here. Let's see. Okay, I like this. We have this break down, break up. Demand zone created. Now I'm taking longs. Right, just with the structure, 482.5, like this. Let's see. And we get another stop loss. It's manipulating again. Looks like we are going to hit our stop loss, like our max drawdown. I mean, also like after like backtesting for so long, like looking at the charts for so long, you really like sometimes get manipulated, because we are like already like backtesting for like 1.5 hours. It was going good, but now the like our concentration is like down. Let's see. Yes, like even at the end it's been going down. Wow, it's just swept this, or what did it sweep? This or this, and then it's going down again. Wow, not what we want to see actually. Okay, maybe like I should just focus on the 4 hour like swing. I like this. Take a liquidity position here. Let's wait for this. Alright, let's wait for a fractal break. Let's just go chopping again. Okay, nice. Break down, break up. We are going long there. 1, 2, 3 towards the upside. Let's see. Alright, retesting the levels. Dropping, taking a liquidity. Wow, crazy. So we actually saw like something news related here. Like it's crazy. the crazy price action. Like this is only off of one day, like 5% down, and then we're going up again. Wow. So it was some kind of news thing. So we would have gotten to the TP. Look for further longs, just liquidations, and take it out. We go down 6. Like at this point, I'm just going to go look for a little bit more risky entries because I want to either lose now or win now because we are doing it for like a long time. Yeah, exactly. Trump tariffs. I hate EU with all of my heart, but I like this confidence in you. I'm taking it with because I like too much confidence. Yeah, bro, you just need confidence. Like right now, I'm just viewing it. Oh wait, it's really consolidative. Going to go let it run. I'm just viewing it from this lens. We are already like doing 1 minute 40, 1 hour 40 of backtesting. We were like up 6, now we are down 6. Yes, it's untradable. Now I'm just going to look for like a little bit more like aggressive entries to either lose very fast and then we can just chill a bit and just analyze a bit the markets before they open, or we are going to win fast. One of those two things. So now break down, break up, liquidity sweep, liquidity open. Alright. We make another break up. No. Still bullish. Alright. Take out now liquidity here. And also we engineer more here. Now I still see fair upside if we see like a break of structure down and up. Come on. Alright. Swing bullish. In the internal. Oops. My bad. Let's do this here. So the demand zone is now in control. Looking to go long here. Let's look for price action. Yeah, I don't know. Like the risk reward is not that good here. I'm going to wait for maybe this to sweep first because like no liquidity is in the move, and then like I can get a nice TP. Alright, come on, sweep. We're sweeping it, and we straight away go down. Wow. Okay, we're now down to our last bullet. It's good now. Okay, like I'm now just going to go long here. Doesn't matter. Like this, 4-1-2. With like this structure in mind. We're going long. I'm holding gold longs throughout the weekends on a phase 1. Yeah, that looks good. Like I'm also holding gold longs now, like for now. I believe gold longs are like a really good play for now. Oh, what I have in here? Looks like we're going to get a TP after like all of those stop losses. Alright, come on. 1-2 TP, perfect. Now we are only down 5. Come on, come back, guys. Like the schedule is like really not the best right now because we still have like analysis going on, like pre-market analysis. So I'm going to do it a little bit faster here and not explain as much. I'm still looking for further longs. Yes, bro, boom. I'm still looking for further longs as well, yeah. Let's see. So, waiting for retracements. This. Come on, hit it. Yep. Now I'm going long here with the trend going up for a 1-2 here, and we are going to look for scalings as well. Okay, break down, break up. This is the fractal breakdown, this is the fractal break up. Doing like this after the fractal break for a 1-2-3 with a little bit of a bigger stop loss. Just entering it right now there. Let's see. We made the order flow switch here, like the order flow switched right there, but only with a sweep, so it's a bit risky now. Okay, first stop loss, and the second trade is still going. Let's see and wait what happens. Could have been beautiful, but probably tariffs or something. Okay, it's going now. And it's going down again. No direction really. I mean, still, like, I like longs, but so consolidative here. Normally, like, I wouldn't even want to be in this price action, but in the back test we gotta trade what's in front of us. I would even like go out like now if I was in a live trading market, but right now it just doesn't matter. Just gonna hold it, you know. All right, we got the TP. Perfect. So we are only down 4% now with a stop loss and with 1 TP. We are now up here, but the only thing I don't like is we are already at January 26th. That's why we are going to take going to go back in time now again to a random date. I believe we were like at 2019 or something before. I'm going to go with 2017, yeah, January 21st. Yeah, bro, let's go. We don't have much to lose now. So, okay. Like, we're going back in time now again because we are almost like at present times, and I already kind of know what's going to happen now. In 2016, I'm not really an expert on 2016. That's why we are doing this. Okay, I see it's still being messy, but the price action now is bearish for now. 1, 2, 3 times sweep. Also here sweep and then going down. It looks good. Liquidity taken here. 0.5 fib. Right there. We are going short for sure. And we are looking for scalings after this breaks. After this fractal breaks on the daily. To 2. What sort of stuff do you do outside of trading? I go to the gym a lot. I play football, boxing, going for walks, going out with friends, partying, all of that stuff, you know. What about you, bro? Price is a bit slow, I don't know. Alright, wait. Let me do like a stop entry here. This 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's not going. Okay, now it will be perfect if we make the change of character down. Come on. Nice. Like this. Second entry for a 1 to 2.7. If you retrace, come on. Yep, we retraced. Do you ever scale in using the 1 hour time frame? Sometimes, like if I take a 4 hour time frame setup, I scale in on the 1 hour time frame sometimes. But it's rare, but it's like not wrong. Alright, like actually this stop loss that's a little bit bigger for me, like I went short in this supply zone, but I made like a bigger stop loss to be safe, and here, you see, we just sweep it, you would have gotten a stop loss, but here we just sweep it and then we go lower. Seeing price go short now, like confirming it more for a short with this breakdown, but let's see what happens, if we can really swing it down now. Nice. I only scale in on the 1 hour time frame when it's the impulse within the impulse, if that makes sense. If it's the impulse within the impulse, yes, it makes sense. So you mean just the internal impulse. We are now getting into the supply zone again, retesting the levels and getting a stop loss. Come on, bro. Alright, we got 2 stop losses now. I mean, it's not looking good. Like, AU is not the best price action, but for some reason I like to trade it. Yeah, we got 2 stop losses now. It was looking good, but it was very slow. And now we switched it to bullish again. So we switched bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. So yeah. Alright. Let's wait for the 0.5 FIB touch. This. Oh no, I actually want to go long. Wait. As you can see, AU is oftentimes very, very impulsive. We take our liquidity here, make a breaker structure down and a breaker structure up. As you can see, also what Milo talked about, so the impulse within the impulse, meaning the internal switching. Yeah, AU is always rangy, yeah. So now I'm going to go long here. Like this, 4122. Come on. Alright, we got the second break, and this is the perfect sweep here. And if we get, like, wait, this is the fractal breakdown. This means that the candle itself is the fractal high. So if we break it, then I'm going to go long. Come on. Yep. Another long. Right here. Right. I want to go long already here on the first candle, so it doesn't matter. So long. 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now if we take stop losses on the above, we are out. And if we take TPs, we are like back in the game. And perfect, guys. We made the comeback. We are now down 1%. We can now start and trade it further. It was only early this year I traded it. Yeah, early this year it was like already like a good direction for AU because they were really bullish. Yes, we're back. Now looking for further longs on the 4 hour time frame. Yes, we spoke it into existence. We predict the markets. So we are at 0.5 FIB, liquidity already taken. Here, here, and here. We have a lot of it. We made a breakdown, break up. We switch now the internal. We are in this kind of market. I'm going long there. Yep, 41, 2, 2. Let's see. We get the first stop loss. I'm doing a bit faster now because I want to get my target or my stop loss faster now. Alright, we make the break up, break down again. Now I'm looking for further longs again, or 1.5 in towards the upside now. Perfect sweep of liquidity actually. And it's a manipulation, so we get a stop loss. Then we're still looking for shorts. Just right now it's not the best. Come on, sweep it once again. Perfect. So with us being still bullish from this low to this high, I'm actually confident in taking like a swing position like this and holding it for like a 1, 2, 3, making it a bit bigger. What's your most profitable pair that you have traded? If my most profitable pair is probably EURUSD or GBPUSD. Okay, now trading it like this for 1, 2, 3. Confidence is going to go up, and if we switch this, I'm going to go for scalers. Yep, and we switch the trend. On AU it's really hard because we switch the trends so often, like it's crazy. Now it's going down, but it's still very long in general. Are we going to go long here? It's the thing. Are we going to risk it? Because this can be just a liquidity break. Yeah, GU is nice. This can be just a liquidity grab, but still, like, I'm just going to go long because wait. Yeah, but gold is nice, actually. Yeah. Are we going to go long like this is the thing that I'm asking myself. Because it can obviously just take us out, but maybe I want to be just faster with it, you know? Wait, let me check out. Did I actually say we are down 3 or didn't I record it? Are we down 3 or 4? Yeah, GU and EU is really good. And gold. Yeah, we are down 4. Just check the live stream. I'm just going for this long. I don't care. Yeah, the thing happened that I told us about. We get the sweep here and then we straight away go short. Now let's see. The security points look beautiful. We can go long here. This.